Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish one of your courses in Teachable? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish your course in Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes the course is no longer relevant, or maybe you want to unpublish it while you are adding value into it or editing it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unpublish a course, here on the left side, you want to click on courses. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the courses you have inside of Teachable. And in order to unpublish a course, find the course you want to unpublish, and then off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Once you click on those three dots, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose Unpublish Course. Another way you can unpublish a course is you can just click into the course editor. So by clicking on the name of the course, once you do that, you're going to click on Setup Guide here on the left. And once you are there, on the top right, you're going to see this button, Published Course. If you click on there, you'll see another button, Unpublished Course. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. And as you can see, the course was unpublished successfully. So now my students no longer have access to this course, and I won't be able to accept any new students until I come back in here and publish it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish a course in your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.